This morning routine changed everything for Jennifer. No therapy, no expensive retreat, just 10 minutes every morning, and her anxiety gone. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you the secret was right under your yoga mat? Today, I'll show you how something as simple as morning yoga can rewire your mind, calm your anxiety, and reset your entire day. But first, let me tell you a story. So before you scroll away, take a breath, sit back, and listen to Jennifer's story, because what happened to her might sound a lot like you. Jennifer was the kind of person who never stopped moving. Emails at 7 a.m., traffic by 9, deadlines, phone calls, endless notifications. The day always felt one step ahead of her. She used to wake up with that tight feeling in her chest, like her heart was already racing before the day even began. Anxiety wasn't just a mood, it was her morning routine. One day, after a particularly exhausting week, Jennifer came across a video, a short 10-minute morning yoga practice. She had never done yoga before, but something about the calm voice and slow breathing made her hit play. And for the first time in months, she slowed down, she moved gently, she breathed intentionally. After that day, she made it a ritual. Every morning, before opening her phone, before checking emails, she unrolled her mat. And within weeks, the difference was obvious. Her anxiety was quieter, her mind was clearer, and her mornings felt lighter. Jennifer didn't change her life. She just changed how she started it. And that's the secret. Morning yoga isn't just about stretching your body. It's about resetting your mind before the world rushes in. It's about starting your day with stillness instead of stress. So let's break down exactly how it helps and why just a few minutes of morning yoga can completely shift your energy and mental health. 1. Morning yoga reduces cortisol, your stress hormone. When you wake up, your body naturally releases cortisol, the hormone that helps you get moving. But for people with anxiety or stress, cortisol levels spike too high too fast. That's why mornings can feel overwhelming, like you're running a race before it even starts. Here's where yoga comes in. Morning yoga slows your breathing, lowers your heart rate, and tells your nervous system you're safe. With every slow inhale and exhale, your body produces more serotonin, the feel-good chemical, and balances your cortisol levels. In simple words, morning yoga teaches your body to chill out. It's like turning down the volume on your anxiety before the chaos of the day begins. 2. Yoga builds emotional stability through mindful breathing. Ever notice how when you're anxious, your breath gets shallow and fast? Your brain goes into fight or flight mode. But yoga flips that switch. Morning yoga combines movement and mindfulness. It trains you to breathe through discomfort, to stay calm even when your muscles are challenged. Over time, that habit carries into your day. You start handling stress with steadiness, not panic. When Jennifer faced tough meetings or unexpected chaos, she realized her breath stayed slow and grounded. That's because yoga strengthened her mind-body connection, teaching her nervous system to stay balanced under pressure. So the next time anxiety sneaks in, your body already knows what to do. Breathe first, react later. 3. Morning yoga improves blood flow and brain function. Think of your body like a city. Your blood flow is the traffic that keeps everything alive and moving. When you wake up tense or anxious, that flow gets restricted, muscles tighten, oxygen drops, and your brain feels foggy. Morning yoga acts like a reset button. Gentle movements like cat-cow, sun salutations, and forward folds boost circulation, sending oxygen-rich blood to your brain. That's why you feel more awake and focused afterwards. Your brain is literally being fed what it needs. Studies even show that yoga increases activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that helps with focus and decision-making. So, by stretching your body, you're also stretching your mind, becoming more alert,
creative, and emotionally resilient. 4. Morning yoga creates a routine of peace before chaos begins. Most of us start our day reacting to alarms, notifications, people, and problems. But yoga flips that completely. It helps you respond instead of react. By taking just 10 minutes for yoga each morning, you're telling your mind, I choose peace first. That tiny decision sets the tone for your entire day. Your body becomes calmer, your focus sharper, and your anxiety less controlling. Jennifer used to start her mornings scrolling through emails. Now she starts with breath work and light stretches. Her productivity didn't just improve, her mental space did. Because when you start your day grounded, no storm can shake you easily.
Here's the truth. You don't need an hour-long session or fancy poses. You just need 10 intentional minutes. 10 minutes to move, breathe, and remind your body that you're safe. That's all it takes to shift from chaos to calm, from anxious to anchored. And remember, yoga isn't about touching your toes. It's about what you feel when you try. It's about choosing awareness over autopilot. And once you experience that stillness, even for a few minutes, it stays with you through the day. So tomorrow morning, before reaching for your phone, reach for your mat. Roll it out. Take a deep breath, stretch gently, and notice how your body and your mind thank you. Because peace doesn't come from escaping your world. It comes from returning to yourself. If you've been feeling stressed, anxious, or disconnected lately, start small. 5 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, and watch how morning yoga quietly reshapes not just your body, but your entire mindset. Jennifer's story isn't unique. It's just proof that calm is something we can all create, one breath at a time. So take a breath right now and promise yourself this. Tomorrow morning, I'll choose peace first. Because sometimes that's all it takes to change everything.